Good afternoon, sir.
We'll wait for some time. Today it will be one short game. After that, discover double attack. After that, we'll go to first. Yeah. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
One short game I'll show. After that, we'll go to puzzles. Okay. E4. First, I'll start with mantra. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. E4. Sorry. E4, E5, NF3, NC6, BC4, BC5, discard Gyoko piano, C3, NF6. Now CD4, E4, then NE4, E5 followed by NE4, Bishop D5, then pawn, knight into pawn, king into knight, pawn to bishop check, king G3, then pawn to pawn, bishop into pawn, then E2, NE7, sorry, NG5, then N into D4, D5, knight into F7, then castle, knight into queen, then queen sacrifice, then bishop F7 check, king H3, then D6, pawn.
Sir, can you do from start, sir?
Checkmate.
Also, I'll show it from again. 1 minute. Like
Checkmate, sir.
1 minute. I'll show it again. Oh, knight into pawn, knight into knight, bishop into knight.
Checkmate, sir.
Yes, checkmate also. Rook G5. Now king G4, H5.
Checkmate, sir.
Yes, now it is checkmate. This is short game. Can I show it from again, beginning?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I didn't. There was some problem.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't understand full of it.
Okay. I like that. E4, 5. This opening is called Gyoko piano or Italian opening. NF3, NC6. Okay, this you got it. Now bishop C4.
Yes, sir.
That is the Royal Lopez.
This is Gyoko piano.
BB5 is Guido Lopez. It is Gyoko piano or Italian opening.
Okay.
Now D4, E into D4, E5. Then knight E4. Pawn to bishop D5, then knight into F2. King into F2, it is moving automatically. DC3. King 3, then CB2.
Match was played between who all?
I think it is played in 1851. 1897. I don't know the names. 1897.
Okay, sir.
Knight G5.
So knight F5 check was a better move.
Knight F5.
Good evening.
Now castle is correct. Good evening. Good afternoon, Modi. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
F7 check. King A3. Now D6. NF4. Now King G5. Now knight into
E3. Knight into E6.
Knight into E6. Bishop into E6. King G4, G5.
Pawn to h6.
Rook f4.
Rook to f5.
Rook f5. Rook f5.
Now
Then h5.
Pawn to h5.
pawn to h5. King here. Then
Sir?
rook here. Ah, yes.
Sir, why couldn't we play?
Why couldn't you play?
Sir, then the pawn will take.
No,
Oh.
pawn.
No, there's a bishop.
Sir,
Discovered.
It's
yeah.
discovered
Why
check.
not?
Discovered check.
Discovered.
Discovered
so
check.
why not rook to d5?
Rook to d5 it will not be checkmate, no? Rook to d5 it
No,
will
sir.
not.
No, sir, not that. Sir, after king moves.
Why not, sir? Why
Yeah.
not?
Now,
Rook f4.
rook f5, and then
King is 4.
yeah,
only
king will
one.
move there, and then no, sir, don't move that pawn. Why can't
You have
rook
already
move to
given a
d5?
rook. You are already given a queen. It is not worth to checkmate rather than taking back queen. Correct, no? You have already given.
Yes, sir.
White will be better position. 5.
Pawn to h5.
Then king
Sir,
is.
now why not d5? Sir, why
No,
not
then
d5?
black will easy. White will win. White is two rooks up. Black is one rook down. Then it will be. Black is,
Sir, both are one and the same. It will
no,
become
no,
checkmate
no,
if
not
you
one
play-
and the same. Black is queen down already. Black has given a queen sacrifice.
Sir, why was there no class yesterday?
One of my students' father expired. I am sorry to inform them, but I was so shocked by the incident. He was just 41 or 42 years. One kid was 10-year-old and her son was 4-year-old. It is shocking news. That is why I could not take the class. Okay.
Okay.
I sent a message, no?
Yeah, sir, but you didn't inform that there was no class.
I sent a message also. No class message also I sent. Because I was not able to, I was shocked by the incident. We will now take double attack. Black to play and win. 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 Double attack. Black to play.
Rook a.
Bishop movement. Black to play.
Rook a2. Rook
Bishop
a2.
movement. Bishop movement.
G4. Bishop
Bishop-
G4.
Bishop d4
Sir,
is
yeah, bishop d5. Bishop
now
d5.
whatever d5 is correct. Now king rook moves. Bishop into rook. Bishop
Into knight. Okay. Okay.
black
Sir.
to play. Black to play and win. Black to play and win. Double attack.
So
Sir,
rook to d2.
Bishop d5. Bishop d5. Bishop d5.
Rook
Bishop d5.
d5 is correct. Now double attack.
Sir, not one more simple one. Can you give two more one? Two
I
more
will give.
simple
I will give. After this, after 2-3 problems, I will give.
Sir, I have a doubt.
What is that?
Sir, if he played rook to g2 and then after the trading of the rooks, then that will be an unstoppable pawn, sir.
What is that? 1 minute. Rook to g2.
Sir, rook to g2. Sir,
Black to play.
black
Black to play.
Yes, sir. Rook to g2.
Rook to g2.
Yes, sir.
Then rook into.
Sir, after. So then bishop into rook.
No, 1 minute. But rook to g2. No.
So then unstoppable pawn after the rook's trade.
No, I'll move here. What will you do?
So then bishop to d5 check. Then better position for black
Yes.
because then pawn is also.
Yes. Yes. Bishop to knight. Correct.
So then rook can take the pawn, can't he?
Now
Oh, yeah.
rook can take the pawn. But
Yeah.
white
Sir,
is
there
still,
is one.
black is still better.
Sir, but black is a bishop up.
Black is
Black
bishop.
Yeah,
is a bishop
bishop up.
up.
Can move the pawn?
He can't
Can
move
you
more.
come back? Okay,
Yes, sir. Actually, after rook to
Okay, two
f1, after
steps
rook to
back.
f1,
Sir.
after rook to f1,
Oh,
then what if pawn push?
no, white to now
After pawn push.
knight will move here.
Oh yeah.
Let's follow.
If I do. Sir, then
First move is bishop d5 is okay, I think.
Yeah,
It will be
first move,
simple.
yeah, d5.
It will be simple win, no complication is involved.
Yes.
White to play, white to play. White to play, white to play.
Please flip board, sir.
White to play.
Sir, pawn push.
Rook
Six.
f6, rook f6,
Pawn
rook
to
f6.
e6.
Six.
Pawn e6 is correct.
Pawn e6.
Now king moves, then pawn to rook.
Pawn takes rook.
Pawn.
And better position.
Right, that's all.
Yeah, okay.
Black to play, black to play. I'll flip the board. Black to play. Double.
Sir, g5.
G5. Pawn to G5.
Correct.
Pawn to
G5.
G5.
Now king moves, then pawn to queen.
Pawn takes queen.
Pawn to. White to play, white to play. White to play.
G3.
Queen d5.
White to play. White to play.
Queen to d5.
Going to d5, correct. Now it is unstoppable checkmate. Queen into pawn to mate.
Then queen blocks and queen takes his mate.
Wait.
White to play in white to play in double attack. It is also simple problem.
Bishop
So
takes
bishop
c.
and
Well
pawn.
said.
Bishop takes pawn.
Bishop takes pawn.
Now king moves, bishop into rook. White to play, white to play.
White to play. So white to
Bishop.
play.
Queen
Double
c4.
attack, double
Knight
attack.
to
Knight to
D5.
d5.
Knight to
Knight to
D5.
d5.
Knight to
Knight
d5.
to d5.
Now pawn to d5.
Now queen to d8. Queen to d8.
D8
d5,
okay.
sorry.
Queen takes D5.
Queen to
Queen
d5.
takes D5 check.
Now
Queen
it is
takes
double.
d5.
Now king is forced.
Double attack.
Queen takes rook.
Now queen to rook.
Correct.
Queen into d5. So why not first move, baby?
No, then it is you have to create a
Pawn.
Pawn will take.
pawn is created. Pawn.
Pawn is guarding it.
Now knight d5, pawn to knight, queen to d5. King moves, queen to rook.
Queen takes rook.
And
No,
it's
rook
forced
to-
to take the knight.
If,
White has checkmating chances.
no, if king
Yeah,
moves
Lord.
to f8, it will be checkmate. King moves to f8, it will not be checkmate.
No, sir, from start.
Now knight d5, what it is forced to kill it.
Sir, before knight d5.
What will you do? How can it? It is not possible. It is not possible. Queen is guarded.
Queen to d8 check.
Then queen into queen.
So then rook into queen.
Rook
That
takes.
is not a problem.
But it's not a checkmate. It's
So
not a
then
checkmate.
bishop to c4.
Oh,
Bishop to c4.
first move we can do bishop c4. First move we can do bishop c4.
No, but then the rook will take.
Rook will take. Rook will take. That is why knight
The queen c4.
knight d5 is correct. Knight d5.
Knight d5. Yeah.
Pawn to dem, queen to pawn. King moves here, queen to rook. This is simple, better position.
Sir, what if after knight to d5, black moves the queen?
Black moves. Where is it? Where will it move?
Then knight into rook. Then knight
yeah,
into rook.
knight.
It is already fork. It is already fork.
Yeah.
White is a better position.
White is better position. Yes. White to play in bin, double attack.
Sir, rook takes
into bishop, rook
Rook
into
takes
bishop.
bishop. Sir, rook takes bishop. Rook takes
Now
takes
king
bishop.
into rook, king into rook.
Sir,
Bishop
bishop
into
takes
pawn.
pawn.
Queen
Bishop takes
d5.
pawn.
Bishop into.
Now king moves, bishop into rook. Correct.
Bishop takes rook.
Rook. One bishop up for white.
One, two pawns up, sir.
Yes, one bishop and two pawns up. Black to play in bin. Black to play in bin.
So please flip board, sir.
Black to play in bin.
So black to play and double
Black to
attack,
play.
sir.
Better position. Double attack.
Sir, queen f4. Queen f4. Queen f4.
Amodi,
Queen.
Queen F4. Queen F4.
Rook
Huh?
queen, sir.
Queen F4 is correct.
The Queen F4.
ನಗಲ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ
ಯಾರು ಅಕ್ಕನ?
ಅಕ್ಕ.
Now what will you do?
Sir, rook
Sir, rook
takes.
into C1. Rook into C1.
Correct,
Rook
correct.
takes. Rook takes back.
Now I won't take. I will move here. What will you do?
Sir,
Sir, then rook takes rook.
Sir, actually, first move is queen to a7 check. That
No,
is
no.
the
Queen
knight.
F4 is correct. Queen F. Queen F7, then it will not be double right.
No, then the rook will take.
Rook will take.
No.
Sir,
Queen
queen
F4
to
is-
a7.
If H7. H7.
rook into
Queen, rook,
There's
sir.
a double attack on king and knight.
Sir, queen
Yeah,
F4
Then
is
queen come
But the
can come.
queen
Queen
can
come.
come.
Oh,
Yeah, the queen can come.
Queen F4 is correct.
F4 is correct.
Queen
Now king
F4.
is forced to move.
Even if queen blocks here, then but the rook is eventually going.
Now duck into rook.
Sir, bishop
Rook
to beat
into
me.
rook.
Bishop
into rook.
to beat me.
Now pawn push.
Sir, but black didn't gain anything.
Two pawns up. Two
Yes,
pawns. Two pawns up.
Oh,
Wait,
fine.
it's a better position.
Yes, back is in better position.
White can gain that back easily.
White to play. White to play.
bishop to knight.
Then pawn to knight. Pawn to bishop. White to play and tell the best.
Look at it.
Double attack.
Rook
Even
H8.
white to play and double attack.
Double attack.
H8.
Rook H8, king into H8. That is wrong.
No, sir. Sir, rook F8. Rook F8.
Rook F8, then
Rook
Rook
e.
F8, then
Rook e.
It's not a rook move.
Rook F8, then I move.
B7. Yeah, sir.
Seven.
Rook
E8,
E7.
rook E8,
Rook,
rook E8.
rook E8.
B7.
Fine.
Rook
B7.
E8 equals, rook E8 equals,
Rook to
rook E8
A.
equals,
Sir.
sorry,
Sanjana.
Samyak, correct. Samyak. Now,
Sanjana, sir.
Sanjana. No, rook E8 is also wrong. First move is pawn movement.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
pawn
Pawn push.
B7.
Pawn,
Pawn
pawn
B7.
b7.
Pawn B7.
On B7.
Now I move king here, forced to come to here because otherwise check is discovered check is coming up. Now what will you do?
Now bishop.
No,
Sir, rook C8. Rook
Rook
C8.
C8 is wrong.
Rook
And look
C.
into pawn.
Rook E. Now rook E8.
Yeah, bishop
No.
takes knight. Bishop takes
Rook
knight.
Now
E8.
rook E8.
Now rook E8. Yep.
Now look into pawn. Now you can take the
Rook into
Now
knight.
Sir,
Now
rook takes
bishop
bishop.
into knight.
Rook
Bishop
takes
into
knight.
knight.
Rook takes knight.
Pawn
Pawn
to-
takes and then bishop takes.
Now
Oh,
bishop
yeah.
takes.
now king moves, then bishop will
And then we
Now
are
bishop
we have an extra bishop.
extra bishop. Correct.
But
That's what
still,
And
we
an
can't
extra
stop
pawn.
the A1 queening.
Now first move.
No, we can.
Now king is forced
Sir,
to
we
move.
can't-
Hey, it is
Sir,
correct.
even if we have a bishop extra, we can't stop the A1 queening.
Yes. Now king is forced to come to G2.
But if you just put the bishop to any on the white square, then
D4.
it can keep attacking. When the pawn is on A2, you can keep attacking.
Sir, but
What will you do? Now B7. King is forced to move. King is forced.
Why, sir?
Rook
Otherwise,
E8.
rook
Sir,
E8,
can you-
rook
sir,
H8
rook-
is
sir, then play rook E8. Sir, play rook E8.
now king G6 forced. King G6 forced. Now rook E8.
Then sir, after rook takes knight,
sir,
sir,
rook
play
to
rook takes
d1
knight.
check.
Rook to D1 check.
Yes, sir.
King here.
No, bishop will take.
No, bishop
Bishop
into
will
rook.
take.
Bishop into
Oh,
rook.
yeah.
Now rook is forced
Just
to kill the pawn. Now rook into bishop.
so then rook takes,
Pawn.
pawn takes,
Now bishop into rook.
and bishop takes. Sir, then now bishop takes rook. Sir, bishop takes rook.
Now, after
Sir, please play
king
bishop.
moves,
Sir, please play
bishop takes rook, and
Okay.
then we can't stop the A1
You
queening.
can.
We can. We can.
stop easily. Bishop.
How?
Bishop D5.
Yeah, bishop to
Play
d5.
bishop
Yes,
to
sir.
D5. Bishop to
Pawn
D5.
pushes to A3.
Play bishop to
then we can
D5.
play.
Play
Bishop
bishop
to
to D5.
Bishop to D5.
But
Bishop
then
to
the
D5.
king. Okay.
No, it is not
King
possible.
to E5, king to
Then
E5.
bishop here, simple.
So then,
Bishop
yeah.
here.
Yeah.
It
With
is easy
lock.
win.
No, next we can also go to bishop to g8.
So then
No.
king will come to b2
Then
eventually.
it should
and
be
then
easy win for white. Easy win for
force,
it. Now
bishop sacrifice.
Very easy win.
Easy
We
win
are up
for
to
white.
much.
Easy win for white.
Easy win.
But still, if it was a black bishop, it would be
White
good.
to play. White to play and win.
So rook to pawn.
Pawn.
Pawn to g5. Pawn to g5.
No,
Now
sir,
pawn-
pawn push.
Pawn to
Pawn
g5.
push.
Pawn to
Now
g5.
pawn to g5.
So king
Pawn
move.
to
Pawn
g5.
takes rook.
Pawn into
Now
rook.
pawn to rook. Pawn to rook.
Now king
Sir,
move.
go back, sir.
So then
Sir, completely go back, sir.
Okay, I win.
Sir, what about pawn push?
Pawn
pawn
push then it
push.
will not be easy. Then I
then
will.
black will win the rook.
Pawn
Then black
Yeah,
will
I
win the
Black
rook.
will be better position. Black will be better position.
No, sir. Black will win the rook. Pawn takes
Yes,
on
black will.
g5
Yes.
with check.
Rook h6.
Black. Okay, check the first move. First move is correct.
But sir, if the pawn takes the black pawn on the h6, and the king won't be able to kill it because the rook is guarding the.
Now it is correct. Now it is in. Now it moves king pawn to rook. King moves.
So then easy win
Easy
for
win
white.
for white. Easy win for white. Easy win. Fast pawn is correct.
The pawn lineup is also very good of white.
White, yes.
Black is just got everything in one line.
Yes.
So when is the last class?
Monday. Black to. How was the summer camp totally?
It was very good, sir.
Very good, sir. It was very good. Very nice.
Very nice.
Some of the shocking incident shocked me. That is why I could not take. Black to
Is it
play.
black to play?
Black to play.
Sir, flip.
Flip the board. I will flip the board. Black to play.
The knight d
Mhm.
knight
Black
d4.
moment. Black to play. Knight to d4, then king will kill the knight. Black to play and win.
Sir, rook
Bishop to
e3.
b7. Bishop
Rook
to b7.
e3.
Knight.
Sir, rook e3.
Rook e3, then
Yeah,
king will
bishop to
kill.
b7.
Oh.
Bishop p7 is also wrong. Then king will kill the knight. Rook.
To so then knight 4.
Sir, rook f5.
Rook.
The knight to d4.
First
After
movement
king
is
to rook.
first movement is soldier movement.
Rook. d5. d5.
d5.
Yeah, d5. Pawn d5.
Now pawn to d5.
Sir, rook f5. Sir, then
The pawn push.
Into
Pawn push.
Pawn.
Pawn
e
to-
into d5. E into
Pawn.
d5.
No,
Now
pawn
king
to
moves
pawn.
here. King moves here. What will do? If king kills, it will.
Now bishop.
Sir, pawn push, pawn push, pawn.
No. King goes, then king kills the rook.
Sir, pawn push, sir.
Yeah. So,
No.
sir, king has to take the pawn.
Now
Yes.
bishop to f5.
No, that is wrong.
So bishop to e6. Bishop
Bishop to
e6.
e6 is correct. Now I won't take the bishop. I move here.
So,
Sir,
why
why don't you
wouldn't you
take the
take the
knight?
bishop?
Why don't
Now
you take the
bishop
knight?
to
sir?
b3. Bishop b3.
Now rook will.
b3.
Bishop b3.
Oh,
Bishop to b3.
But why
b3.
wouldn't you take the bishop?
No,
Why
king
wouldn't
moves
you
here.
take the bishop?
Bishop
So
takes
BB3.
the fourth is there. Fourth
BB3.
Bishop b3.
Oh, okay.
Fourth is there.
b3. Sir,
Now I
b3.
move here. What will you do?
b3.
No, rook moment.
Bishop
Rook moment.
b3.
Rook moment.
The rook to d8 check.
Rook to the Now it is
Rook
forced to
G.
take. Now it is forced to take.
Now it is forced to
Knight d4.
d4.
Now rook here.
Knight
Check.
d4.
Knight d4 is also correct. Knight d4 is also
Knight
correct.
d4. No. Now check is there.
No,
What?
no. Not rook d8, knight d4.
Now king is forced to take. Now it is forced. Rook into queen.
Anyways, the queen is gone.
Yes. Yes. This giver.
It was
Giver. Yes.
So next.
Black to play and win. Black to play and win. I'll flip them.
No, sir. Black to play.
Black to play.
Sir, rook
Sir,
into rook.
correct or not, sir?
Rook into rook. Rook into rook.
Rook into rook, then knight. That's wrong.
The knight e2.
Sir, knight h3. Knight h3.
Knight h3 is
Knight
wrong.
h3.
Knight h3 is wrong.
Knight
Sir,
e2.
does black have to double attack?
Black has to create a double attack.
Okay.
Sir, rook into e4.
Black to play,
Sir,
not white.
rook takes c4. Rook takes
Take
c4.
c4.
Rook
Who told
takes
that?
c4.
Who told that?
Me, Rishabh.
Now pawn to rook.
Rook takes.
Now pawn to rook. What?
So then rook takes. Rook takes.
Rook takes rook.
No, rook takes rook.
Now queen to. Now what? Now you can take a double attack.
Now queen,
You can get a queen or checkmate.
queen.
Knight e2. Sir,
No, queen moment. Queen moment. Knight e2, then black will win. Queen into knight. Simple.
How cool.
Now
Queen g5.
Queen g5. Correct. Now unstoppable checkmate or threatening queen. Queen is gone. Now if it tries to come here, now knight h3.
rook e2. So what if the black plays g3?
Check is there. Check
Pawn
is
to
there.
g3.
Now queen into queen. It is
No, sir, before that move.
Queen to queen.
Before that
Sir,
move.
it's a mating chance as well.
You are threatening checkmate.
Sir, no. Sir, no.
Now what is
Sir,
you are
take one more back, sir.
okay? I'll wait.
g3.
Now I move queen g5. What will do?
g3, sir, pawn g3.
G3. Then knight is at take.
Check.
Queen is gone. Queen is gone.
Queen is gone. And that also prepares a mating
Yes.
chance.
Now king moves. Then knight into queen.
But sir, we
Sir,
wasted
the
a
knight
lot
is
of
gone and it's rook up.
Look
Sir,
up.
we wasted a lot of material for this. Sir, we wasted a lot of material.
But you have to create a double attack. No, otherwise it doesn't work.
Yeah.
To play. White to play. I'll flip the board. White to play and B. White to play and B.
Sir, queen g5 check.
Queen g5.
So bishop
Queen
into f5.
g5.
Bishop
Queen
into
g5 then
f5.
king- No, bishop into f5 is wrong. Queen g5 also wrong.
Sir, rook to g4.
Rook to g4 is correct. Very
Sir, bishop
rook to
f5.
g4 is correct. Now pawn to g4.
Sir, queen to g5.
Queen to g5. Correct. Now king h8.
So then,
Sir, queen to h5.
Queen to h5 or h6. h5 then king can escape.
h6.
Sir,
h6.
f6. Sir, but then after that, pawn push. f6.
Then queen to
Stopping
pawn
the mate.
checkmate. Queen to rook checkmate.
Oh.
Unstoppable.
Whatever you do,
Oh, yeah.
that is why first move rook g4 is a very key. Rook g4 is correct. Now soldier is forced to kill. Now queen here check.
Sir, no, we can checkmate like h7 also. Queen h7 also.
No,
we can
first
checkmate.
the soldier f5 soldier is preventing it. F5 soldier is preventing it. Did you get it, Samek? Samek, did you get it? No, the f5 soldier is preventing. You have to now move queen here. Queen h.
6. Sir, what if the pawn doesn't?
It is
It
forced.
has to take. It has
It has to take. Now it is forced to take.
Oh, sir.
Take.
Now what is
Oh,
check
okay.
is there? It is forced to
If
take.
the pawn was not there, it was anyways checkmate.
Yes, checkmate. Correct.
That is similar to checkmate.
Yes. Now it will be checkmate. Now pawn is forced to kill. Now queen h6, queen g4, queen g5, then king h6, right? Queen h6, unstoppable checkmate.
Yes, sir. So next.
1 minute. Black to play and win.
So black to play a double attack or
Black to play in double attack. Black to
Sir, can you flip the board, please?
Black to play. Did you like the tournament? Everybody like the tournament and classes?
yes, sir. Tournament gave a lot of chess practice in the night as well. Or else only once time chess.
Sir,
was-
queen G3, queen G3.
Queen G3, then queen to queen. Queen to
So knight b3.
no, that is
Knight
wrong.
E2. Then knight E2.
Knight E2 is also wrong. Then queen will kill the knight. That is also
Sir,
wrong.
knight into B3.
Then look into rook.
So queen takes pawn.
No, that is also wrong. Knight move.
Sir, I got it. Sir, knight to e2
Sir,
check.
knight e2.
Knight to e2 check.
Then queen will kill the knight. That is wrong.
Sir, knight to F3.
Knight to F3 check.
Knight to F3.
Now, pawn is forced to take. Now, what will you do?
Queen G5. Queen G5.
So what if the king moves somewhere else?
No, what? It is fork is there. Fork is there. Now, king is forced to move.
Then
No,
rook into rook. Rook into D2.
Rook to takes. Rook takes rook.
take.
Rook takes back.
So
Then-
again,
Then
rook
Then
takes.
rook takes rook. Rook takes rook.
Correct.
Queen takes rook.
Then queen takes back.
Queen is to move
Then
by.
queen into.
Queen can't take. Queen can't take.
Queen ever.
Why?
Because
Why can't
take.
the
Queen is
queen take?
there. Queen G4.
because queen is supporting it.
Queen is supporting it.
Oh, right. Yeah. Right.
This is better position for black.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. That exchange was very big.
Black to play. Black to play.
Black can save the position in that.
Black can
Uh,
also.
so could you please show that?
NF3, what will you play? Sorry.
So no, sir. After that whole combination of winning,
NF3, what will you do?
sir, after winning the rook, black, even after winning the rook, then white can save the position.
It is difficult because one exchange down, no? No
Sir,
exchange.
after that, then queen to
No, right,
E7,
rook into
queen
pawn is there.
A7.
This pawn is queen into queen followed by rook into pawn.
Sir, after the rook takes on D2, then queen to A7.
Queen to
Queen
A7.
A7.
Then queen can go because rook is there. Rook is in producing D.
Sir, if queen goes to if white queen goes to G1,
A7
then
then it
rook
will
to
be
D1.
checkmate.
Sir,
Then
then
queen
rook to
A7.
D1.
will be checkmate.
Sir, then rook to D1. Poor
Then
check.
king E1 after that. Then no checkmate because the
No.
knight is preventing.
Now I move here. What will you do? Threatening checkmate.
Queen B8 check, perpetual check.
It is
Queen
not
B8
possible.
check.
It is not possible. Only one check. One or two check.
So then queen takes on B7 check.
Sir, queen can draw.
C7 can go.
by,
It cannot go to D7.
Queen can
C7.
draw.
Takes on B7
Queen
check,
can
yeah.
draw by check
Queen can
reputation.
B7. Okay. King will
Sir,
go.
queen can also
No one-
draw. Queen can
It is
also
not a
draw.
draw. It is not a
Can't,
draw.
it
Okay.
can't, it can't.
Now only
It
two
can't.
check. Only two check. Got it?
Sir, queen to
Yes.
Or
So
nothing.
then,
Black. White cannot do anything. Unstoppable check.
Tell me.
so what if the king plays to D1?
Black to play. Black to play and win. Get a bishop up. Double attack.
So rook E1.
Black to
H2,
play. Black to
bishop
play.
H2.
No, that's wrong.
Sir,
Is it
rook G2, rook
Poison
G2,
movement.
G2, rook
Rook G2,
G2,
then king will kill the rook. That is wrong.
rook
No.
rook
Pawn
E5, rook E5,
Pawn
rook
D5.
E5,
Pawn D5.
Pawn
Who told? Pawn D4. What? Who told?
Me, sir, Sanjana.
Chandra, correct. Chandra, very good. Now king bishop is most to move here. Now what will you play?
rook E5,
So why can't bishop take the pawn?
rook
Bishop
E5,
can't take because if it comes here, then rook here check is there.
oh,
Now
Oh,
that is
rook E5, rook E5,
now bishop is 4.
now rook E5,
Now it is double attack. Rook into rook. Now queen to rook. Bishop is gone.
Queen.
And queen to,
threatening checkmate.
now queen to bishop. This
a bishop up.
bishop. Black to play and win. Black to play and win.
to
into
pawn.
Rook takes rook.
Huh?
Rook
Rook
takes.
takes rook.
Queen to pawn.
Rook into
Queen
rook.
to
Sir, rook e2. Rook e2.
Rook
queen
T2. Correct.
f2.
Sanjana told correctly. Why is this rook T2? Can you tell?
Sir,
The first move is rook e2.
No, now it is rook T2. Correct.
yeah, sir.
Why is it rook to e2? Then
Now
queen
queen
into
is
queen.
forced to play. Then rook into rook. Check. King moves.
Oh.
Then pawn to rook. Queen.
Oh. Okay.
So why not first move maybe?
First move is not
King
possible. That
two.
is why it is called double attack. Now it is. Now you move here. It is forced to kill. Queen is forced to kill. Queen is not supported by anything.
What if the rook takes the rook?
Then queen into queen.
Yes, sir.
Sir, could you please go back?
Rook d2. Rook e2. What will you do? Rook e2 into e8. Now
So then rook into rook.
rook e2.
Oh yeah, there's no way. Then
No way support. Queen is unsupported. That is why it is. Now kills, then rook into rook check followed by king pawn to queen.
yes, sir.
White to plain win. White to plain win. I'll flip the board. White to plain. Double attack.
Sir, d6
D6 correct. Who told that?
Sanjana.
And now pawn to d6.
Rook into knight.
No. Then rook into rook. Then
So bishop d5.
no, pawn to pawn.
So pawn into pawn.
No, knight into pawn. Now double attack. Rook one piece up for black. White.
Oh yeah.
Sir, but what if he doesn't take the pawn on d6?
Then it will be unstoppable queen. What will you do?
Sir, first move after d6. Sir, after d6.
What up d6? What will you play?
Yeah,
Sir,
what if he moves to
Rook to
c6?
d2. Rook
What
d2.
if he moves to c6?
Rook d2. Then rook into knight check.
Sir, what if the pawn plays to c6?
Pawn. No,
Yeah, what if the pawn goes to c6?
now it is not possible. First pawn goes to c6, then knight into pawn is there.
So it's black to move.
Pawn to
Yeah,
pawn. Pawn
yeah.
to pawn.
Okay.
Now pawn to pawn. Knight into pawn is forced. Look here, check. Look here, double attack.
D.
Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Black to play in discovered check. Last problem. Black to play in discovered check. Third move.
Queen h2.
Then king will kill the queen.
So then bishop to g1.
Bishop to g1 is correct.
After thinking.
Now king moves. Now
Bishop g1.
rook into queen.
No, rook into queen.
What if king doesn't take the bishop?
It is forced to take. Checkmate.
So
Yes,
no,
sir.
after
How is it supposed to take?
first move is
Now it is
queen to h2.
threatening
Sir,
checkmate.
what if the queen takes the rook? So what if the queen
Queen
takes the
takes
rook?
the then queen into pawn checkmate.
So what if the rook takes the bishop?
That's like
Can I chant mantra and
So what if the
process?
rook takes the bishop?
Then
So
look
go
into
back,
queen.
please.
Look into queen. Look into queen. Look into queen.
The first move is queen to h2. Then after
No,
that,
no,
Sir,
no,
what
no,
if
that's
rook
not-
takes?
Then look into queen. Can I chant mantra?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
नमस्कार
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
शास्त्र पद किलो भावे शास्त्र हमने पुरुषार्थ ओम शांति शांति शांति
Bye, sir.
थैंक यू
Thank you, sir. Bye.
बाय बाय
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
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 Thank you very much, sir. Bye.
थैंक यू